In this video, we'll take you through how to reset your client's password from the Glofox dashboard and how they can reset their own password if they get locked out of their account. We'll also talk you through some general do's and don'ts when it comes to password safety. First, how to reset your client's password from the dashboard. From the Glofox dashboard, go to the Manage tab. Then go to the Lead tab, Client tab, or Global Search to locate your client. Once you locate your client, open up their member slideout. Then click on the Details tab. From here, scroll down to the Actions panel and click Change Password. Enter a new password and then click Confirm. For your protection, all passwords stored on Glofox are hashed. Even our own staff can't view them. So if you lose your password or you're locked out of your account, it cannot be retrieved. It must be reset. If your client or lead is locked out of their account, they can reset their password by following the Forgot Password flow on the member app or website portal. To set a new password, ask your clients to follow these steps. From the member app, click Forgot Password on the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the website portal, click Login on the top right-hand corner of the screen and then click Forgot Password. A set of instructions to reset their password will be emailed to them. To make sure your client's password is as strong as it can be, don't use the same password for multiple accounts. Don't use personal information or common words. And do make your passwords long. Their password must contain at least 8 characters, contain at least 1 number, and 1 letter. That's all for now. For more information, visit our knowledge base.